when you're in a confined space or in a confined environment, your thinking tends to go around a lot. This is the going on? Is this world coming to an end or something? So please let me know in the comment section. I would really love to hear from you. Tell me, we are friends, we are family. Like, the problem shared is half solved, like people will say. So let's know, because personally I already told you, I already said that I was feeling down, but I had to encourage my like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Stay safe and stay blessed. Okay, bye.